very first event for this year. I would request everyone to raise their right hand for the Leo pledge. I pledge my hand, extended and open to help those in need. I pledge my heart, reach for it and it will be touched. I pledge my ears to hear the outcry, my eyes to see the plight of others, my knowledge to bring a man closer to his dream. I pledge myself to the betterment of the community, my state and my country. Today, we, the Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield, in association with Lions Club of Kolkata Brickfield, are at Salt Lake Sector 3 FE block. We are here for our very first event. It's a mega twinning event, international event, organized by Bangladesh, District 315B1.
Hello everyone, I am Leo Shohini Poddar, President of Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield, sponsored by Lions Club of Calcutta Brickfield, District 322B1. We have participated in International Mega Twinning Tree Plantation event hosted by Lions 315B1 District, Bangladesh. We are very thankful to our parent Lions Club of Calcutta Brickfield, for supporting us in this event. In today's world, tree plantation is a very essential need, and today we are moving so fast that we are neglecting the importance of planting trees. We are cutting trees to make land available for development works, and in this way greenhouse gas effect is harming the atmospheric temperature of the whole world, and most of the problem can be resolved by planting trees. So we should aware more people to plant trees and not to harm them. I am requesting everyone to plant at least 2 to 3 trees in your region per month, and please take care of it. I have a suggestion for you guys. According to me, whenever a student enroll in school or college, he or she should plant a tree in their premises and maintain it till he or she passed out. And after that, the tree should be renamed according to the person's name. In this way, more trees will be preserved and we can save our environment too. Are you having any suggestion for planting more trees? So please contact our Facebook page Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield, or you can DM in our Insta handle Leopold Brickfield too. Today we have planted 30 plus trees in Salt Lake FE block region with the help of our parent Lions Club. So let's see what they are saying about this event.
And this is a great pleasure for me to announce that our Leo Club of Brickfield is doing a beautiful program of tree plantation, and this is in association with Bangladesh Lions Clubs. A total 9 countries are participating in this program, and nearly about 251 clubs are into this program. I congratulate each and every members of the Leo and also of the Lions Brickfield.
Good afternoon, I am Dr. Shailesh. I am President of Mother Club. Great congratulations to all the Leos who are future of our generation. Nothing like plantation. This is what maintains the life on earth. And 251 clubs getting together, planting so many plants. So this is going to be a great inspiration for the whole mankind, because we need to be peasants. In this corona wave, we have seen that nothing was more important than food, and the food is provided by the plants and the trees. So let's go all about plantation. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Lions Brickfield, Mother Club. I congratulate all my Leo friends for this wonderful program of planting trees, and it's a great initiative to preserve our Mother Earth, and in especially such difficult times. Thank you very much. God bless.
I am Lion Mohammad Rahman, Treasurer of Lions Club of Calcutta Brickfield. It was a very pleasure that our young brothers all are doing a good noble work like plantation, because it's a very important for our ecosystem. So I congratulate everyone to be doing such a great thing. Thank you.
When we plant a tree, we are doing what we can do for our planet to make it a more wholesome and a happier dwelling place for ourselves.
Hello, good morning to everyone. I am Leo Ushri Chaudhary. I am the Joint Public Relation Officer of Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield, District 322B1. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from Technomen Salt Lake. I am really very much glad to get an opportunity to participate such a great event, and I am really very much thankful. And I am planting a common coleus sapling, so do watch the video. Thank you.
I am Leo Elvindas from Kolkata. My club name is Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield, sponsored by Lions Club of Kolkata. I am the professional development chairman of my club, and today I am participating in this international mega tree plantation event hosted by T15B1 Bangladesh. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Leo Shoikat De. I am the Vice President of Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield, sponsored by Lions Club of Calcutta Brickfield, District 322B1. It was a great experience to be a part of this international mega club evening tree plantation event hosted by 315B1 Bangladesh. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I, Leo Shayok Dhara, the graphic editor and the chair of Special Area Project of Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield, sponsored by Lions Club of Calcutta Brickfield, District 322B1. It was a great experience for me to be a part of this international mega club winning tree plantation event organized by Bangladesh 315B1.
Hello everyone, this is Leo Ushnikdash. I am the treasurer of Leo Club of Kolkata Brickfield. Currently, we have participated in International Mega Twinning event, a tree plantation event organized by Lions District 315B1, Bangladesh. It was our very first international event. I wish in upcoming future we are able to organize many more international events like this. This will surely increase the bond between both the district 315B1 Bangladesh and our own district 322B1. I am very much proud of my team for executing an event like this. We had our parent club, Lion Club of Calcutta Brickfield, with us. They helped us in every possible way. Without their help and support, it would have been impossible for us. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Thank you.